Hello everyone, in this video we are using another vulnerable machine DC-2 in the VirtualBox environment. So I configured a NAT network to connect the both Kali Linux and the target machine DC-2, and you can just change their settings, the network setting, and then you can run the both machines, the Kali Linux and the DC-2. When the both machines are ready, so you need to perform the initial scanning by checking the Kali IP address and using the network discovery tool to map the devices on the network. So ifconfig command used to check the IP of the Kali machine. So this is the IP address and the network address as well. Open the root terminal and use the net discovery tool to map the devices. It will take some time. It's depend on your device speed. So after getting this address, you need to check and confirm the MAC address of the DC-2 to verify the target system. Right click the DC-2 and the settings, and in the network you can just check the MAC address and you can match with the discovered address as well. So it's mean the last address is for the DC-2. So now you will scan all the ports by using the Nmap tool, and you will run the default script, detect the service versions and discover the hidden services or the backdoors, and to check all the port status by using this command and the IP address of the DC-2. So the port 80, port 7744 are open, and the versions and all the other details are available. It is working on the Apache, so you need to confirm that DC-2 through a browser to ensure the web service is running. So the output is not available, so it's mean you need to use the text editor to map the host name DC-2 to its corresponding IP address locally. For easier access, you can open the editor and change this line, add the IP address of the DC-2 and the name here, and save the file, and then try again. And this time you will get the result and the output of the DC-2 machine. Here you go. So you can check this website and just open the flag area. So it's mean it is the flag is there. The flag 1 is the word list. So now you will create the word list by running this command and capturing the data from the target. Now I'm using the over word list name for the output file. So now you'll run the WordPress scanning tool for the vulnerability to scan the WordPress site for the vulnerabilities. You will also use the help option and to check all the modules available in this scanner. So these are the options available in the WordPress security scanner. So I'm using the URL to target the WordPress site and enumerate the WordPress users for login brute force. So the extracted users names are saved into a text file for further use. So now you will use this command to print the text to the terminal and flag the files by using the backslash, and add the users names by using the \n. For the new line, use the pipe. It will take the output of the echo command. So now I am using the scanner tool again to target the website, and this time my focus is on brute force attack. So the discovered passwords are saved into a text file again for future use. So to gain the shell access, I run an SSH command to connect to the DC-2 as the user DOM, and inside the target I located and captured the flag file. Here you will use the same password which you already saved in the text file. Just copy and paste the password here. List the file and check all the files. Now I have the flag3.txt file, so I'm using the editor to open this file. So this command is not working, so then I'm using to view the content of the flag file and the less command for easy navigation. To exit from this less tool, you will just simply press the Q, and now I'm using the VI editor to make any necessary changes. So just run the shell. So you will use this command to check the current system path environment variable. So then I updated the path variable by exporting a new path. Use the cat command to display the content of the flag3.txt file. In addition, you will use the who am I command to check the user information, and then use the su jerry command to access the second user and use the same password which we previously saved. Explore the directories. And use the cat command to display the content of the file, the flag4 file. So you will get this message. So you will just run this command to check the Git configuration options. Now explore the last final flag file and you will get all the details. So I successfully read and confirmed all the flag files, completing the challenge. Thank you for watching.